How to send videos from iPhone to email. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Mail application on your phone. The Mail app on iPhone is a pre-installed application that allows users to manage emails from various accounts in one place. It offers features like adding multiple email accounts, composing, sending, and scheduling emails, and organizing emails into categories. Once you're here, go to the bottom right corner and tap on the new message icon. Here, type in the name of the person you want to mail to. And then, type in the subject. For example, photo. Then, tap on the message box. Now, go to your keyboard and tap on the arrow on the right. Tap on the attachment icon as shown. Here, tap on Photo Library. You can choose photos from your camera roll over here to attach it to your email. Select the video you want and then tap on Done at the top right corner. You have now successfully attached these photos to your email. After that, tap on the arrow button at the top right to send the email. Following these steps, you can easily send videos from iPhone to email.